Welcome to our channel Maths Hub.
Hello everyone, this is Pratibha. Today's topic is BODMAS. BODMAS is for every problem we have to solve in a systematic way by step process. So BODMAS is the order of the operations. First, for a problem simplification, first we have to open the brackets and solve in the brackets problem. So BODMAS, B for brackets and O. The next one is O. O is a orders or powers and roots, 3 square or root 3 or off also you have to solve the next step. And for the next one is D. D is a division. Any division step you have to follow. The next one is division. And the next one is multiplication. So you have to solve the multiplication sum. After the multiplication step we have to go to the addition one. You have to solve the addition, any addition. Next is subtraction. We have to go to the subtraction. Using this BODMAS will solve one's problem. By this way you can know how to use the BODMAS in the simplification. The question is simplify 5 into, open the bracket, in that 3 plus 4 into 5, close the bracket, plus 8. So this is the question. So how to solve this? The first we'll write this BODMAS, first basics. So we have to follow BODMAS. The first is bracket. So first we solve them in the bracket one. So 5 into, the next one no off is there, and D division also no divisions, and the multiplication. In this we have one multiplication. So 4 into 5 is 20, 4 5 is 20 and plus 8. After that in the bracket itself we have the addition also. 20 plus 3 is 23 and plus 8. So the next is 5 into 23 plus 8. So that is equal to 23 into 5 is 115 plus 8. 115 plus 8 is 123. This is how to solve according to BODMAS. Today's question is 3 plus 2 into 2. Answer in the comments.